buddy? What's up? Hey, you want help getting up? Oh, here we go. Oh, he's standing up, Mom. Uh-oh, you're going for the boobies, Mom. He's starting young. You want to walk over to Mom? Let's walk over to Mom. Oh, having some difficulties. I'll turn you around here. Oh, no. We're going to walk? I don't think I'm quite getting you. There we go. What are you doing? Oh, nope. What are you doing, bud? No.